up your portions. I know I won't forget all he's done. He's the strength in this race that I run. Every time I look up, I see God's faithfulness.